Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the GitHub Actions. Today we are going to learn controlling your workflows, canceling and skipping in the GitHub Actions. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So while GitHub Actions workflows automate tasks, there might be situations where you need to intervene. So this guide explores two key functionalities, canceling workflows and skipping workflow runs. So canceling workflows scenario. Imagine a long running workflow becomes irrelevant due to the newer commits or an error want to stop. In such cases, canceling a workflow allows you to terminate its execution. How to cancel? Navigate on the GitHub, go to your repository, navigate to the Actions tab, select a workflow. In the left sidebar, click on the specific workflow you want to cancel. Find running instance from the list of the workflow runs, identify the one you want to terminate, look for in progress status, click the cancel in the upper right corner of the workflow instance, click the cancel workflow button. Okay, so if I go to my repository, here you can see we have the workflows, right? So I think the workflow currently I have used this one. I think they have the workflows. Go to the actions. Here you go with the, you can see, let's go to the actions part, workflow. Here you can see. So here you can see that. So here you have the mentioning. Okay, so when I click on this, so here you can see, navigate on the GitHub, go to the repository, navigate to the actions tabs. This are we are on the action tabs, right? Select the workflow in the left side bar, click on the specific workflow you want to cancel. So here you can see that specific workflow. So this is the workflow, right? Okay. From the list of the workflows, identify that you want to terminate. Look for in progress status. Some of them are in progress when it's running, so some of the in progress status, right? So you can click the cancel in the upper right corner of the running flow workflow instance. Click on the cancel workflow button. So here, whenever there is running, there's jobs over here. Okay, so in that case, you can just make a cancel that one. Okay. Next, we have a cancel important notes. Canceling a workflow might not be immediately halt all running jobs or the steps. GitHub attempts to gracefully stop the workflow based on its current state. Consider the impact on the partially completed task before canceling. Skipping workflow runs. How it is scenario, if you want to, you might have a workflow configured to run pushes. However, there might be a case where you don't want a workflow to run a specific commits, documentation changes. Skipping workflow runs provides a way to achieve this. So like skipping, like suppose whenever I try to whenever there is a workflow run, so every time the npm install command is running, but I want to skip that command. First time it runs, after that I don't want to run it. If it node modules are there, if there is any changes in the packet or JSON, then you can install the like the npmi, otherwise skip that one. This is also a scenario, right? So how we can do that? Craft your commit message, include a specific phrase or a keyword in your commit message that instructs the workflow to skip. So first one is that you can use the commit message. So whenever you write a commit, and here you can mention that skip ci, skip something, we have already the list. So in that case, automatically GitHub analyzes and skip that part. Define the git skip condition within your workflow YML. Use the if keyword and an expression to check for the skipping keyword in your commit message. If the condition evaluates to be false, the workflow skips the execution. How? Let's have a look. So here you can see that here we have mentioned if the GitHub contains the event message that is skip CI, means skip CI found in the message, then skip the npm install. Okay, so here we have the benefits. So improved efficiency by canceling irrelevant workflows or skipping unnecessary runs, you optimize your resources utilization and potential reducing the cost associated with the running actions, right? So second one is enhanced control. So these functionalities provide more control over the workflow execution, allowing you to focus most critical changes. Okay, so whenever I don't want to make it unnecessary changes, every time I want to do with the npm install, which is also we can skip, or make our resource utilization more better. So in that case we can use. Okay, so here were some of them are there. Workflows that would otherwise be triggered using the push or on pull request won't be triggered if you add any of the following strings. So push and the pull request won't be triggered if you add following strings to the commit message. Whenever you write something on the commit messages, and you can write like skip ci skip no ci skip actions or action skip. So if you type something of in your commit messages, what will happen? If you had push or pull request, your push code changes or create a pull request, commit message check. GitHub examines the commit message, specifically the head commit message for the pull request. Skip conditions met. So when any of the conditions are met, if the message includes any of the listed skip paraphrases, case insensitivity, workflows configured with on, push, or pull request will not be triggered for this commit. Okay, so this is how you can cancel and skip the workflows. And you can, for why we are using, what are the benefits? So improved efficiency and enhanced control. Okay, so this is how you can do that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.